Good morning, guys. What was I gonna say? Oh, what's up, Z Nation? It's your gonna say Shantell, and I'm back with another video. And the time is currently 11:32, and I have wasted hours in my bed. I would say 2 or 3 because I have nothing better to do. But I decided I'm gonna get ready because I need to do a few things, clean the kitchen and go grocery shopping. So why not do it in a vlog? While you're here, follow my content page on TikTok. It's gonna be linked in the description box down below, so go get it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share the video before we get into it. And now let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I just got ready. As y'all seen, skin. I put some concealer on my forehead where I burned myself. So now, period. And I did my hair. Here's my outfit. I did change my outfit twice because it just wasn't going. So this is what I got on. And I'm about to go to the store. My mom said I could drive her car. So I'm gonna ask my nana if she wants to come with me.
There's a time and a place for all this. This is not the place for all this. Is there a reason why you're saying all this? And can we talk about it later?
Okay, guys, so we are home. I'm not in the woods. I'm by the woods because our backyard is partially woods. There's the house up there. But anyways, I'm taking Prince out because I haven't taken him out today, and it's like 1 o'clock. But I said I was gonna take him out when I got back from the store because I did take him out. But he's eating grass right now. He's not even worried about using the bathroom, even though he did go to the bathroom. And that's the first time I drove by myself for real. Well, not really by myself because my nana was there, but she doesn't know how to drive, so I was technically by myself with the driving standpoint because she don't know how to drive. I hate bugs. Anyways, After I take this dog out, I'm going to put up the groceries and wash the dishes. Oh my God. This fly won't leave me alone. Come on, Prince. Come on, Prince. Let's go. We gotta go. Anyways, put up the groceries, wash the dishes. Okay, guys, here's all our groceries. They're over here. And I'm gonna show you guys what we got. So we got some grapes. Ignore my dog. Got some oranges. My video. My video. Some sugar. I got some grape jelly because if you eat strawberries, something's wrong with you. Bless you. I got some creamy basil Alfredo sauce. Also got some, I be getting this because I don't feel like cutting up avocado, so I just get this for like avocado toast and put it on, and so it's guacamole. It's just like avocado and garlic, so. And then I also got these little mini pies, blueberry and apple. I got 2 of each. Also got regular bread and hamburger buns. In this bag, I got some strawberries. And then I also got another thing of kombucha to try. I only got one. But this
I don't know, guys, if I did the right thing.
Did you take it out?
Yeah. It say in, but sound like it's still going or something. Thank you, dog. Because I don't know nothing about them things.
Okay, and then we also have vegetable oil, oatmeal. Also got some pasta noodles, some tortilla shells. I got pizza rolls. I got 2 of these shrimp fried rice things.
Did you get shrimp?
It comes with shrimp.
Oh.
I got me some chips. Some taco seasoning. And this is trash, because I ate that in the car. I also got a Caesar salad with chicken. I also got 2 of these chicken, cheese, bacon, and ranch things, but I ate one of them in the car. I got some cheddar cheese. I got some ground beef. I also got some French toast sticks. I got some French fries. I got 2 of these combination pizzas. I got a small thing of cinnamon rolls. I also got some Welch's gummies. I got the island kind because I really like these. I got some Ritz crackers with cheese. I also got chicken breast, some frozen broccoli, some garlic bread because I really like garlic bread. I also got some grapes that I want to try. Blueberry Pop Tarts. And then lastly, I got 2 things of these little potatoes.
I've gotta right my wrongs. With you is where I belong. You've been down from the go. Recognition's what you want, and it's something that I should know. Something that I should know. All the things that you went through, girl, I never
As you guys just seen, I was recording, washing the dishes, whatever, and I turned around and the floor is wet. And I'm thinking I spilled water on the floor. And I'm like, ain't no way I spilled water on the floor. Why is the whole refrigerator leaking? Why? I used 4 towels already. There's another one over here, which is why I said 4. But I was just trying to wash the dishes. I'm not qualified for this. Anyways, yeah. I just wanted to say that. Yeah. Water. Yeah, so I guess I just finished washing the dishes and just let that be behind me. And yeah, I already called my parents, so nothing else I can do. POV. Oh, don't look at my dirty socks. I was walking around in the kitchen. I swear, I just put these on. It's because they're white. White. Not white no more. But anyway, my feet not black. They just look like that naturally. They be purple in the middle. Anyways, this is not about my feet. So, if y'all ever want to get out of washing the dishes, just like have a refrigerator that shoots out water every time you turn on the sink. Because it worked for me. And I was going to wash them on my own. Nobody told me to. And I was just going to wash them. And then water started shooting out the back of the refrigerator. And I would show you, but that just means that more water is going to shoot out. And also, those socks are not actually mine. They're Prince socks. And he been walking around in them, which made them dirty. I was just borrowing them. Yeah. Yeah. Package number 1. Okay. So we have a salt and pepper shaker. My mom seen this on TikTok and she wanted it, so we got it. It's the one that lights up and stuff whenever you like spray it. Oh, Prince, move. We also got some doggy toys. Come here, Prince. Come here. Sit. Yeah. And they are Prince approved because he's playing with it now. And then here is another dog toy. Oh, it's a cactus. How? Prince. I can't even get this out the package. Anyways, a cactus. This is hard. He likes that one more. And then we also have a pack of measuring cups. Hopefully these are black and not this other color. Because I like black. Okay. Oh yeah. These are black, and they also come with the big ones. Okay, Prince, chill out. And this, I believe this is another dog toy. It is. You can't play with them all at once. Get it. This is another hard dog toy because we have a bully, and he likes to tear up them all. So they're all hard toys. There's Prince. Prince! Biggie! Want it? See? They work. Anyways, package number 2. Prince, stop. This is a set of stainless steel mixing bowls with lids. You heard me. Lids. So yeah. Stainless steel lids. And that's it. Next, package number 3. This is from Walmart. And we have, first, this is a pet drinking fountain. My dogs now drink out of a blacks only fountain. Actually, 2 of my dogs are white, so they're a disgrace. No, I'm kidding. Okay. We love all dogs. We have a yellow dog, a brown dog, and 2 white dogs. This is a dog judge-free space. Anyway, this is what it looks like. Fountain, little blue top, and the rest is like clear. Next, we got a Roomba. Even though this is not Roomba, this is a vacuum like Roomba. Prince. Just trying to make sure he's not tearing up his toy. A vacuum. And then that's it for that package. Moving on to the 4th and final package, the big guns. I'm actually not sure what this one is. The rest of the stuff, I kind of had an idea. Actually, if this is Target, I know. We know hablo English. Oh, this is pots and pans. Look at my bag. It looks crazy. This is a set of pots and pans. I can't really open the box right now, so I'll just show you guys. That's what it looks like. And that's all for the haul. Whoop, whoop. Anyways, let me put this stuff up. Well, I'm not putting it up. I'm putting it in the kitchen because this don't got nothing to do with my room. Duh.
Oh girl, I never meant to put you through it twice. No.
Hot girls dress over fish tanks when their dad told them to wait for them, but they didn't want to wait because they wanted it now, so they don't know what to get for it. And I'm that girl. Me and my cousin are at Walmart, and we just spent like, I'd say 20 minutes looking at stuff to put in a fish tank because we didn't know what to put in a fish tank. And yeah, my skin looks so good. And this thing is showing through the concealer once again. Okay, y'all. Right now I'm playing with my dog with a shoelace because this is what she wants. I got the fish. It's up there. And I knocked that down earlier. And I just didn't feel like getting it up because I'm tired. Like, trying to get the stuff for this fish made me so tired. And I'm just so tired now. And I don't want to do it no more. So I'm going to wait till my parents get back from vacation to get my fish tank so that my dad can do it for me because I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm just really tired. And that really stressed me out. So I want to take a nap, but I shouldn't take a nap because I don't want to be up all night. But I'm just taking a nap anyway, so yeah. And I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, it's almost 9 o'clock and I'm about to make myself some dinner. I did take a nap and I'm tired and I got woken up and I'm still tired. And I want everybody to know right now. That's it. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to make myself food.
Writing letters. Can't stay away, I'm on it. Addicted to you. 'Cause day and night I want it. Addicted to that good feeling. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Can't stay away, I want it. I say you don't need nobody else. Feels like you don't got me, so you feel like you've been by yourself. I've been feeling kinda down myself. I've been going through this well. Girl, I guess time will tell. That's the problem, I ain't got any left. There's some things I can't help, but you will make the time for me. Hope isn't that something that I should know? Something that I should know. All the things that you went through, girl, I never meant to put you through it twice, no. Tell me how